In this video, I'm going to talk about the best CRM for beginners. And I think this has a twofold answer because there are some CRMs that are just the easiest to set up, but they don't have quite as many features. So it might be what you want, but you might feel limited eventually. Might be a good stepping stone to a more robust one eventually. And then there's some that are a little bit more complicated to set up, but that's because they are more robust and have more features. So I'll kind of handle this answering both questions. So let's go ahead and dive in. All right, I've educated and tested a bunch of CRM platforms. There are 5 that I typically come back to, and that's going to be Dubsado, HoneyBook, Rock, Paper, Coin, 17 Hats, and Bonsai. So if I'm answering the question, which one is easiest to get started on, which one can you get started on within 24 hours and have up and running, then the answer is very obvious. That's going to be Rock, Paper, Coin. Rock, Paper, Coin prides itself on being super simple. They have white glove service to help you get set up when you're a new account, so you can really get set up in 24 hours or less. It's very easy and there's not a lot of customization that you need to do. You can also use my link to get a free year on any of their plans, literally a free year. So it's a really low barrier of entry and it's a great place to start if you haven't ever used a system before. Rock, Paper, Coin can collect leads and manage client information. It's going to do invoices, contracts, proposals, payment processing, and some level of file sharing. Past that, it's not doing a whole lot else. So you'll see some more robust features in some of the other ones. But for that reason, it's easy to learn. It's easy to use. It's easy to get set up on. It's very, very user-friendly. And I think anyone can get set up on it really quickly. So if you find CRMs in general very intimidating, then definitely get started on Rock, Paper, Coin. And it's not because you're not setting up a ton of additional stuff. It's not going to be a huge deal if you do end up switching to something more robust later. I also think if you're comfortable with the other systems in your business, like past payment processing, if you have everything under control, then maybe Rock, Paper, Coin is all you need. You just need someone to keep track of your client information, take care of your contracts, payments, etc. I think that's like the number one thing that CRMs really do, is just keep track of things in one place, and Rock, Paper, Coin does that really well. Now, these 4 other systems, Dubsado, HoneyBook, 17 Hats, and Bonsai, have additional features as well. I'll just head over into Dubsado just to show you some examples. So not only are you going to have the project and invoice tracking, but within the projects, you can manage tasks, you can set up events, you can link your calendar here, you can set up forms such as, of course, contracts, but also questionnaires, proposals, sub-agreements. There's all these kind of different things that you can do within Dubsado that you can't do in a system like Rock, Paper, Coin. So for that reason, it can take a little bit longer to set up a system like Dubsado. Personally, I think that Dubsado is still fairly user-friendly and is not going to be super intimidating. This is the one that I personally have been using for about 10 years, not necessarily because it's always been on the top of the list, but it is currently kind of my top recommendation for small business owners. And I think one thing that's cool is it's going to get you further, so you're not going to hit that roadblock of, oh, I need to switch to a new system because this one's not as robust as the others. HoneyBook has a lot of the same things that Dubsado has. You have your calendar, all of your files and templates. They have some really robust financial reporting. You can input your expenses, track all of that. You can they can help pay your taxes. You can connect it with QuickBooks. There's automations and stuff too, which you also have in Dubsado. So HoneyBook has really focused on being robust and feature rich, and they've come up with a ton of new features, and they're very, very customizable these days. I do think that HoneyBook might overwhelm you. If you're a total beginner, you can always try it out. I always recommend trying them out. And I think feature-wise, HoneyBook and Dubsado are fairly similar these days, but I think Dubsado is just slightly more user-friendly if you are a beginner. You can get 30% off your first year on either of these systems with my links, which I'll put in the description. And I have full setup courses for Dubsado and HoneyBook that'll help you get started. My biggest tip for beginners is to not get distracted by all those robust features, because eventually you'll get to a point where you want and need those, but you don't have to start at that point. The biggest things that you're going to do in these systems are like your questionnaires, just managing your projects. So if you can kind of get used to some of those things, it's going to be really helpful. As an example, I have a questionnaire that I send out to all of my invitation clients where I collect all the information about their invitation. So their names, their family's names, the dress code, the dates, the times, all of that information sits on a questionnaire for every single job. So I know exactly where to find it. And that's not a very robust, crazy advanced feature, but it's like the biggest game changer for me when it comes to using a CRM versus just doing everything over email in my business. 17 Hats is another one that I think is very user-friendly and easy to set up. I would compare it to Dubsado in that way. I think there's a few things that Dubsado can do that 17 Hats doesn't, and there's not as much customization when it comes to like creating your forms. You can like upload your own fonts, you can change the colors, etc. in Dubsado and HoneyBook. And in 17 Hats, you can't always do that, but it has a lot of the same features, and in my opinion is a little bit easier to set up. So I would recommend this for beginners as well. It's that balance between being able to customize something and also having to customize it. So if you want to be able to customize everything, then you might have to pay with a slightly more complicated setup process. Or if you want to go the easier route, then eventually you might be like, oh, I wish I could customize this. So I want to give you all the information so you can kind of decide what the right choice is for you. Bonsai is another system that I kind of put between something like rock, paper, coin and the others that we've talked about, because it's the one place it shines is in the like reporting and financials section. So as you can see in finance, they have invoices, payments, income, expenses, bookkeeping, services, rate cards, suppliers, purchase orders. So there's a lot of stuff. They even have kind of an add-on that can pay your taxes for you and things like that. So I think they really shine in that area. And if you have complicated invoices, if you have complicated financial stuff, then you might want to check out Bonsai, because I really like that aspect of them. However, some of the other things, it's not that they don't have the features, like they have contracts, they have scheduling, they have meetings, but it's a little less customizable than the other ones. For that reason, it can be easier to set up. So I think if your focus is on the financial reporting, definitely check out Bonsai. If you want something that's kind of in between that has more robust features, but doesn't have some of that customization you need to do, then also check out Bonsai. If you are willing to do a little more work to get the more robust features and try something a little more advanced, you don't have to dive into the robust features quite yet, then I would recommend maybe 17 Hats or Dubsado. And if you want full customization that's really important to you, then definitely check out HoneyBook. I think that will be your favorite. And then of course, I don't want to discount rock, paper, coin. The main thing being you can try a year for free. So there's really no downside to just trying it out, and it doesn't take a lot to get set up on. Something you'll find with all these platforms is that once you get set up on something, you're really enmeshed in that platform, and it's hard to want to switch over to a new platform, even if you are excited about a new feature or something, because you're just so used to it and you have everything set up the way you want in the platform. So rock, paper, coin is really stand out in that it's super simple, super easy to set up, especially if you only need stuff from like the first inquiry to booking, then it's going to be a really awesome platform for you, and it's going to be really easy to set up. So I feel like I can't answer this question of which is best for beginners without kind of giving you a few caveats, because I think it's up to what you really need. And if you want to think more long-term about this, or if you're willing to start with something a little simpler and potentially switch to a more robust system later if you need to, all of these things are things that you can decide yourself. But I do have discounts for all 5 of these platforms that I'm going to put in the description of this video for you. And I have other videos diving deeper on them if you want to check out some of the overviews here on my CRM playlist on my channel. All of them offer free trials so that you can kind of get used to it, see what the interface looks like, and make sure you're understanding what you're getting before you make the investment. I think you're going to love having a CRM no matter which one you choose. I always say you don't have to choose a specific CRM, but you do need a CRM in your business, because it is going to save you so much time, money, and energy, just preventing a bunch of mistakes, just keeping everything in the same place, like doing some automatic stuff for you. I think it's going to help your business so much. This is like the best investment that I make in my business every month, and I'm absolutely obsessed with CRMs no matter which one is right for you. So I'm super excited for you to take this journey. Let me know if you have any questions.